Do you like stir fry mixed vegetables? It's very easy to prepare. Just check out the recipe and prepare and try at home. Start by adding some margarine. Margarine gives it a very good taste and smell. So just put enough for you to your taste so that it doesn't stick on the pan. Make sure you wash the vegetables so that they're fresh. Remove any dirt from them so that they're fresh and nice. Then once you've washed them, you can pour them in the heated margarine and make sure that you stir and keep stirring so that they don't stick on the pan. As they're getting ready, make sure you add some salt to taste, whatever amount you like. And if you want to add some spices, you can, but I love them the way they are. I don't like adding spices. So just keep stirring, make sure that every part of the vegetable has touched onto some margarine. So keep stirring, give it like 5 minutes. You don't have to overcook it, but it's up to you, depending on how you like it. And the vegetables are just starting to smell nice and get ready. Wow, I love how they look. We must add onions so that it gives that lovely taste of onions, and I like adding them last because these onions have a lovely smell and taste when they are not very cooked. So stir in the onions and fold them into the mixed vegetables and keep stirring so that they get a little cooked, not too much. And I think our vegetables are now almost ready. Tips for making sure that the stir-fried vegetables are amazing is that you need to make sure they are not overcooked. They won't be nice when they're overcooked. So I think we're ready. Crunchy, and you can feel the sugar of the vegetable, and you still have the vitamins in the vegetables. They are freshly cooked. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to try the recipe. Bye bye.